I am directing the cessation of all movements in Lagos and the FCT.
President Muhammadu Buhari has imposed a curfew restricting movements in Lagos, Ogun and Abuja. The president disclosed this in his address to the nation on Sunday, March the 29th. He directed the cessation of all movements in the affected areas for an initial period of 14 days with effect from 11 p.m. on Monday, 30th March 2020. President Buhari urged all citizens in these areas to stay in their homes, adding that travel to or from other states should be postponed. Meanwhile, the Chief of Staff to the President, Mr. Abba Kyari, has reacted to his health status following a coronavirus test that he tested positive for. In a statement he personally signed on Sunday, the presidential aide said, based on medical advice, he will be transferred to Lagos for additional tests and observation after testing positive for COVID-19 disease last week, and thereafter he self-isolated. In West Africa, people in Mali headed to the polls on Sunday for a long-delayed parliamentary election, just hours after the country recorded its first coronavirus death, and with the leading opposition figure kidnapped and believed to be in the hands of jihadists. There were security fears about the vote even before the war-torn West African country recorded its first coronavirus infection on Wednesday. More from the international scene, the number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the Netherlands passed the 10,000 mark on Sunday as the country focuses on building up.
Subscribe button and the bell icon for notification.